Greetings, fellow content explorers. It's great to have you back on our channel, where we take a deep dive into the vast world of online opportunities. Today, we're going to explore the intricate workings of affiliate marketing and help you kickstart your journey without having to spend a single penny. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn some exciting secrets that will help you succeed in the world of affiliate marketing. Just hit that play button and let's get started right away. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a highly effective marketing strategy that involves earning commissions by promoting products or services of other companies. As an affiliate marketer, you act as a virtual salesperson, promoting the products or services of other businesses and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. This commission can be a percentage of the sale price or a fixed amount, depending on the agreement you have with the company. The best part about affiliate marketing is that it is a low-cost venture, which means that you can start with little or no upfront costs. Additionally, you have the freedom to choose the products or services that you want to promote, which allows you to focus on products that align with your interests and values. To be successful with affiliate marketing, you need to have a strong online presence and a solid understanding of your target audience. You should also be familiar with various marketing techniques, such as email marketing, social media marketing, and content marketing, to effectively promote the products or services you are affiliated with. By leveraging these marketing strategies, you can increase your reach and earn more commissions as an affiliate marketer. Key steps to start affiliate marketing for free. If you're interested in earning money through affiliate marketing, there are a few key steps you need to follow. Here's a more detailed breakdown of how to get started. 1. Choose your niche. One of the key factors that determine success in affiliate marketing is choosing the right niche. To truly stand out from your competitors and connect with your audience, it's crucial to focus on a specific niche where you have both expertise and passion. To begin with, take some time to research different niches and evaluate their potential. Consider factors like market demand, competition, and profitability to determine which niches are worth pursuing. Once you have a list of potential niches, it's time to narrow down your options based on your interests and skills. Ask yourself questions like, what topics do I enjoy writing or talking about the most? What areas do I have the most experience or expertise in? What kind of content would I be excited to create regularly? By answering these questions, you can identify the niche that aligns best with your personal and professional goals. This will allow you to create content that truly resonates with your audience and helps you establish yourself as an authority in your chosen niche. 2. Research affiliate programs. Once you have decided on the niche for your website or blog, the next step is to research and select the best affiliate programs that are relevant to your niche. To do this, you should begin by looking for reputable affiliate programs that offer competitive commissions and have products that align with your niche. Some of the popular platforms to start your research are Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. However, it's important to do your research and read reviews about each program to understand their strengths and weaknesses. You should also consider factors such as the commission rates offered, the terms and conditions of each program, the quality of the products, and the support provided by the program. Additionally, make sure that the affiliate program you choose is reliable and trustworthy, as this will directly impact your reputation as an affiliate marketer. Choosing the right affiliate program is crucial to your success, so take your time and make an informed decision. By selecting the right affiliate program, you can increase your chances of earning a substantial income while building a loyal audience for your website or blog. 3. Build your platform. Creating a successful affiliate marketing strategy requires building a platform that serves as a hub for sharing content and promoting affiliate products. Your platform should be carefully chosen based on your niche, as well as the preferences of your audience. Whether it's a blog, YouTube channel, or social media profile, select a platform that allows you to engage with your followers and customers. When building your platform, keep in mind that it should be professional, easy to navigate, and visually appealing. These factors will determine how long visitors will stay on your site and how likely they are to return in the future. A well-organized and visually attractive platform will increase the credibility of your brand and make it easier for your audience to find the information they need. In summary, building a successful platform for affiliate marketing requires careful consideration of your niche, as well as the preferences of your target audience. Your platform should be visually appealing, professional, and easy to navigate, allowing your audience to engage with your content and products seamlessly. 4. Create compelling content. To attract and engage your audience, it is crucial to produce compelling content that offers value to your readers or viewers. The content you create can be in various formats, including blog posts, videos, reviews, or social media posts. However, the key is to focus on quality rather than quantity. High-quality content is informative, insightful, and well-researched. It should provide your audience with solutions to their problems and answers to their questions. To create compelling content, you must be authentic, honest, and transparent. Your content should reflect your brand's values and personality. Your audience should feel like they are interacting with a real person rather than a faceless entity. By building a personal connection with your audience, you can establish trust and credibility, which will help you to retain existing customers and attract new ones. In conclusion, creating compelling content is vital for any business to succeed in today's competitive market. By focusing on quality, authenticity, and transparency, you can build a loyal audience that engages with your content and trusts your brand. 5. Drive traffic. To earn commissions through affiliate marketing, it's crucial to drive targeted traffic to your affiliate links. There are several ways to achieve this. First and foremost, it's essential to optimize your content for search engines through SEO techniques. This involves using relevant keywords and phrases in your content, optimizing your website structure, and creating high-quality content that provides value to your audience. In addition to SEO, promoting your content on social media can also help attract targeted traffic to your affiliate links. By sharing your content across different social media platforms, you can reach a broader audience and increase your chances of earning commissions. Another effective way to drive traffic to your affiliate links is through email campaigns. By building an email list of people interested in your niche and sending them targeted emails promoting your content and affiliate links, you can reach people who are already interested in what you have to offer. To earn commissions through affiliate marketing, it's essential to focus on driving targeted traffic to your affiliate links. Utilizing SEO techniques, promoting your content on social media, and using email campaigns are all effective ways to attract the right audience and increase your chances of success. 6. Analyze and optimize. To maximize your success in affiliate marketing, it's crucial to regularly analyze and optimize your strategies. One effective way to do so is by utilizing tools such as Google Analytics or affiliate tracking software, which can help you monitor various metrics like clicks, conversions, and earnings. By reviewing this data, you can identify which strategies are working well and which ones may need tweaking. To optimize your performance, it's important to make adjustments as needed. For instance, if you notice that certain types of content or promotional methods are generating more clicks or conversions, consider focusing more on those. Additionally, you may want to experiment with different types of affiliate programs or products to promote to see which ones generate the best results. However, don't expect to see overnight success. Building a profitable affiliate marketing business takes time, patience, and persistence. By consistently analyzing your performance metrics and making strategic adjustments, you can steadily improve your results and build a strong foundation for long-term success. Conclusion. As you may know, affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income by promoting products or services and earning a commission on each sale you make. However, success in this field requires dedication, consistency, and a genuine passion for helping others discover valuable products or services. If you're ready to dive into the world of affiliate marketing, be sure to check out the links in the description below for additional resources and updates. These resources will provide you with the information you need to get started and help you stay up to date on the latest trends and best practices in the field. Are you an aspiring entrepreneur looking for the latest updates and exclusive content on how to make money online? Then you don't want to miss out on what we have in store for you. Join our community by hitting that subscribe button and stay ahead of the game. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel with your friends to spread the word. We are committed to bringing you more thrilling updates, so stay tuned, and until next time, good luck on your affiliate marketing journey.